Roku settings you need to turn off right now. In this video, I'm going to show you several different Roku settings that you need to turn off or change to increase the privacy on your Roku TV. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So these are all really easy to turn off and change. All we need to do from the home screen here is go left and then go down to settings. Once in settings, scroll down and go near the bottom and select privacy. And then the first thing we're going to do is go to advertising. So in here, we have two options to increase the privacy on our Roku TV. Scroll down to reset advertising identifier, select that. And once you select it, it's going to reset the unique identifier that was on your Roku TV that's used to track you across the different channels and is sold to advertisers. So this is used for advertising. After that, turn off personalized ads. This means the ads that you see on the Roku home screen, things like that, will not be personalized based on what you watch or the channels that you use. So I just recommend doing this because it kind of stops the incentive of them gathering that information. From here, go back to the privacy settings and then go down to voice. And then in here, there's a couple things we need to change. So first, microphone access, go to the right, and you can do app microphone access. And I recommend having this on prompt if this is something you use. If you never use the microphone, go ahead and select never allow. And this will stop apps from actually accessing the microphone and listening to what you're saying near your Roku TV. Once you've done that, you can go back and make sure you have speech recognition turned off. And what this does is it's going to actually take your voice recording, send it to Roku, and they're going to use that so that they can better identify you when they're listening to you. But this actually allows them to use AI on your voice to ensure that they can actually recognize you. So if you turn this off, they're not going to be doing that. You can actually get more information and see what that's about. As you can see, if this setting is not checked, Roku will delete your voice recordings after converting them to text. So it's not going to actually send them to Roku. After you've done that, go back to Smart TV Experience. And this one, in my opinion, is very important. So over here, turn off both of these. First, ACR is where Roku actually takes a picture of your screen while you are watching TV. And this does not matter if you have an antenna plugged in, something plugged into the HDMI cable on a Roku TV, or any channel. They will take a picture and they're going to use that to identify the content on the TV. If you have this turned off, they will not do that. So you can see in here what that means. They'll give more information, but go ahead and turn that off. And then content viewing disclosure, turn this off as well, because it actually allows them to share the information they got from the ACR with third parties, advertisers, things like that. So turn off both of these under Smart TV Experience. Let's go back to privacy again. And you can view the privacy policy for both regular Roku and children's if you want to, but go down to privacy choices and go ahead and select do not sell or share my information, and also limit use of sensitive information. So this is going to stop them from selling information that they gather on you just by using your Roku TV. And then this will also limit the amount that they actually use of your personal information. So you can read through that, see more information, but just make sure you have both of these checked. So after that, you can go home on your Roku and you have now turned off or changed some settings on your Roku to make it much more private for you. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up.